Welcome to this PowerPoint tutorial. Today, I'll guide you through creating animations using Visual Basic for Applications, or VBA in PowerPoint. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to replicate these steps and explore other possibilities for creating fun animations on your own. Let's get started. First, we need to set up your PowerPoint environment to run a macro or VBA code before diving into coding. Follow these steps. Go to File, Options, Trust Center. Click Trust Center Settings. Under Macro Settings, select Enable All Macros and check Trust Access to the VBA Project Object Model. In the same window, go to ActiveX Settings and either choose Enable All Controls without restrictions or Prompt Me before enabling all controls. This option will ask for confirmation each time you use an ActiveX control. Click OK to close the window. While you are still in the PowerPoint Options window, let's enable the Developer menu. Go to Customize Ribbon. On the right side, under Customize the ribbon, scroll down to find the Developer checkbox and tick it to Enable. Click OK. You should now see the Developer tab added to your ribbon. Next, create a new PowerPoint file. Go to File, Save As, select your folder. Give your file a name and choose PowerPoint Macro-Enabled Presentation from the Save As Type drop-down menu and click Save. The file you have just saved should have a .pptm file extension. Now that your environment is set, let's test it with a simple example. In the Developer menu, click the Command button ActiveX control. Drag to create a square button on your slide. Depending on your settings from Step 1, you might see a security notice prompting you to enable ActiveX controls. Choose Enable ActiveX. With the button selected, click Properties in the Developer tab. Change the caption property to Test. This updates the text on the button. The name property is also set to Command Button 1 by default. Leave it as is for now since it's important for referencing the button in your code. Close the Properties window. With the button still selected, click View Code. This will open the VBA editor. You will see a private subroutine automatically generated for the button's click event. Inside the private subcommand button 1_click and nsub, add the following line. Message box, hello there. The message box function will display a pop-up message with the text hello there when the button is clicked. Remember, the text must be inside double quotes, or you'll get an error. Close the VBA editor and run your slideshow, or press F5 on your keyboard. Click the button and a pop-up message should appear. If this works, congratulations! Your VBA environment is ready to go. If you encounter any issues, go back and review the steps to ensure everything is set up correctly. In the next video, we'll learn how to use VBA to add custom animations to an object. As an example, we'll rotate a simple wheel and make it move across the slide. We'll then use these principles to animate a bicycle with spinning wheels. See you in the next tutorial.